Hey everyone, before starting today's vlog, I have one important announcement to make because I don't want to disturb you during the vlog that I am going to upload today Pyar Ka Panchnama movie part 2 in my Telegram channel with Japanese subtitles. Yes, Japanese subtitles. So there will be fun also and there will be study also. So don't forget to go to Telegram page and follow it. The link is in the description below because after uploading the movie after 10 days I will remove that movie because of space issue. So don't forget it. Now go and enjoy the vlog. Kusan has taken that wireless charger. Oh. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today Kusan is going to come to my room and he is going to discuss with me about Hanami. Hanami, you know, like viewing cherry blossom flowers, because this is the season that in Japan cherry blossom flowers are blooming. So we are planning to go to do Hanami. Let me show you the weather today. It's raining today. Let me show you the weather. See, it's raining today. Because of this cold weather, the cherry blossom flowers are not blooming too full. So let me shut the window. I ordered this wireless charger. So Kusan said I wanted one, but he went to check his phone. I don't know where he is right now. Now the delivery person has come, so I have to hand him over the product. Let's see. Let me go to Kusan and ask whether he wants that wireless charger or not. Otherwise, let me return it to the delivery person. Kusan went to take his phone, but I don't know where he is now. Let me go to his room and ask. Kusan, 宅配便の人が来ちゃったから。
あ、そうなの。
欲しい？欲しくない？
何これ。
と、その、なんて言えば、ワイヤレスチャージャー。
あるの。
欲しい？
もらおうかな、じゃ
もらう？
あ。いくら。
あ、そう。630円ぐらい。
試してみよ
う。OK。早く。今。So Kusan has taken that wireless charger now and like returning the products to the delivery person. Wait for him. You can see it's raining here. Where he went, he was here only right now. Just now he was here. I don't know where he went. Oh, came. So he gave me this slip and now he is going to go. Let me go inside the room. Don't fight. Well, the package has been returned and now I'm going to go and warm up my food because now it's my break time. Well, I have this black wireless charger and Kusan got white one. I'll show you after going downstairs at the lounge.
Why you're always trying so hard to make me surrender.
今日人多いらしいです。
充電されてるね。
今日人多いらしい。
It is getting charged. Well, I warmed up my food and I came back to my room. I did not take much of video at the lounge because many people were there and I am shy of taking video when a lot of people are there. So let me eat my food. So this is the rice and okay. Let me have my food and then I'll talk to you. I was doing my work and suddenly I saw a message from my friend. I want to show it to you also and want to know about your thoughts on it. Let me show it to you. So this is the message that my friend had sent me and he said, what do you think about it? So I will play it and I'll show it to you. I don't know about whether I'll get copyright and all. Let's see, whatever it is. Let me play it. So Rohini and Laila, if you have watched Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, it's written, said the same thing. बस फर्क है. The difference is
तुम्हें कैसे पता है कि तुम 40 तक जिंदा रहोगे?
Of the beauty.
Seize the day, my friend. पहले इस दिन को पूरी तरह जियो.
Well, I messaged the same thing to my friend that I don't think the difference is of beauty. I think the difference is about how you put across your things. As there is a great saying that how you say things is more important than what you say. So you saw the same thing, Katrina was saying it in a different way, and the other actress was shouting and putting across her things. You should always put it across the right way. I still remember that when I completed my first year of graduation, I worked in a call center for about 2 months, and in that call center I was doing calls to the customers, and the person who was doing quality check, she called me and he said, Nitin, when you talk to customers, sometimes the way you speak is a little rude, so you have to change your tone a little bit. And she gave me one very good example. She said that if you are talking to someone and you tell him that hey, your button is open, the other way of saying it is your button is open. So how you say things, the same way it will come back to you. So if you talk someone rudely, then the answer will come back to you rudely. So make sure that you approach the person in the appropriate way. Just now I got a message from one of my friends. She's a Japanese girl. Her name is Momoko-san, and she said that she's coming to meet me for 1 minute. Let's see what she has to say. Hi. Oh, Momoko-san. 大丈夫？
大丈夫？大丈夫だよ。はい。
何ですかこれ？
これは山梨のお土産。
お土産。山梨。行ったんですか？
山梨行ってきたよ。
おー、ありがとうございます。何ですかこれ？
これはこれはゼリーで、これはキャンディー、ソフトキャンディー。
ジェリーとキャンディー。はい。
そう。
ありがとう。
よかったら食べてください。
ありがとうございます。
はい。
Well, first of all, I'd like to thank Momoko-san for giving this omiyage. So sweet of her to come to my room and give me this omiyage. Omiyage means souvenir. So in Japan, there is a tradition of like when somebody goes somewhere for a tour or as a trip, then when they come back, they bring some gifts for their friends and families. So Momoko-san brought it and gave it to me. So let's see what's there inside it. She told me there is some jelly inside it, but I want to open it with all of you. So let me unbox. No. So let me open it. So from outside you can see there are some candies, and this is some jelly as per what she said. So let me take it out. This is some jelly, see, if you press it. So let me open and show it to you. This is what she got, and you can see this is jelly. Okay, and this is Momojuro. Okay, you can see some water came here. Let me bring Caesar. So see, this is how you can see it looks like. So this is it, right? Jelly. Let me eat it. The Japanese peach flavor is there in that, because I have eaten a lot of Japanese peach ice creams, so I quickly understood that this is Japanese peach flavor. Very nice. See how the candies look like. So these are the candies, right? So this is a different kind of candy. So let me open it. Oh, what a beautiful color. Okay, let's eat this one. Melon flavor, melon. Okay, musk melon flavor, not musk, musk. M-U-S-K. Okay, there is one more type of candy is there. Let me open this also. I'm assuming the color of this also will be very interesting. Yeah. Wow, what a cute color, right? It's a combination of orange and yellow. See, orange and yellow. Okay, let's eat. Too good. Milky and peach flavor, very nice. Out of these three things, I like this one the most. Well, Anna is working. Let me give some candies to him also. Let me take one this one this. Yeah, if he likes, I'll ask him to take more.
Open only.
Open. அண்ணா என்ன பண்றீங்க?
Work.
என்ன எப்பவுமே ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க அண்ணா? அண்ணா
What is this?
சாப்பிடுங்க. Will you eat? Momoko-san gave.
1 or 2?
Take 2. Take. Different flavor.
For me?
Yeah. No.
No.
Yeah.
You are both for me only. I thought
Yeah.
For you.
I have few more. 5-6 more I have. If you want more, take from me.
Okay, thank you. Let me taste it.
Anna, You want to eat, can you eat both right now? I want to ask you which one you like the most.
No, I can't.
Anna, Arey, I want to ask because I liked that one more. So I want to know your
Okay, I will eat that.
eh. Whatever you ask Anna,
Say
first
no.
he will say no. Then he'll say okay. Then gradually he will agree. See, he's having now. Huh? He told me he'll not have. Anna, what is this?
And I have one. How I can have both at a time?
After having this one, you can have that one.
No.
No? Okay. Well, Anna will tell me tomorrow which candy he liked more. So let's see. I would like to end my vlog here because I don't know how long this vlog has become. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.